So hi guys, with another video. Today I will just open this mattress. Let's see how they did. What is the inside? Let's look together. Alright, let's go ahead and cut it. A lot of dust. This is the material. They used it. It's not quality, I mean it's junk. Yeah. Because they're not gonna use the expensive material. Look at this. Yeah, always dust was coming. My son was sleeping on top of this mattress, and I saw that a lot of dust is coming. Wow, I said, this is done. I mean, look at this. So dusty. Wow. Wow. Not the dust, but this is the one. It's getting old, and when you move on top of that, as all the small things come out. Yeah. Look at this. Okay, this is the and then what else inside? This is the I don't know what they call. This is the one. Yeah. Yeah. As you see, this is the I don't know what kind of material is this. Look at this. This is the one. And let's see. Nothing much. I mean, also these are the frame. That's it, nothing much. As you see, these are the spring. Nothing on top of this, nothing. Look how thin is it. And then when you sleep a couple of years on top of this spring and hurts your back, hurts you. This is not quality mattress. You can tell. Yeah. Yeah, guys, it's everything as you see. Look at this. Nothing inside. This is the spring, and this is the material. As you see, look, it's not thick. It's thin. Look at this. This is nothing, and just this is the spring. You're sleeping on top of this mattress, and eventually you're getting hurt. Your back get hurt, and yeah, this is not the right way to do the mattress. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video, and see you soon with another video. Bye bye.